Okay, let's write a Python program that calculates the square of numbers from 0 to n, where n is supplied by the user. So I'm going to start by going to the text editor from Python. And I'm going to save this file eventually as square of nums. Just square nums, I think, is what I had in mind. Square nums.py. And I'm going to write a comment reminding myself what this does. It's going to find the square of numbers from 0 to n minus 1, and n will be supplied by the user. Okay, so I'll begin by defining a function, and I'll name it square of nums. The name, of course, is up to me. It takes no parameters, and we are going to get the n from the user, and so that's going to be done with an input command, and we're going to have a prompt for the user that says, what n do you want? Question mark. And of course that if I set n equal to that, that's not going to quite cut it, because the return from input is a string and I want a number, so I have to eval the string in order to change it to a number like this. Okay, so now n will be the number that the user had put in. And now that I have n, I can simply write a loop for I. Let's do this. For number in range n, print. Okay, so what I want it to do is I want it to print the number, and it's going to range from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 all the way up to n minus 1, and then I want it to print the number squared like that. Okay, now I'm going to control left bracket to get over to the start, the leftmost column, because what I also want to do with this program is I want to invoke it, and so I'm going to put in square of nums like this. So that when I save this, which I will do right now, and run it, it will define the function and run it. And so let me save as. I'm going to save as this. So I'm going to Control C that, and then I'm going to go save as. My system is slow here, and that's what I want to save as, square nums.py, so I can run that later if I want to after getting out of Python. And now to run it, I can either go up to run and type run and hit run module, or I can use a shortcut and just hit the F5 key. So to show you, so you can see what I'm doing, I'll do this. Okay, what n do you want? Okay, let's do 25. Well, let's do it so it fits on the screen. Let's do 10. And there it goes, 1 less than 10, and here's the number, and here's a square. So 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, all the way up to 9 squared. If this is a homework problem, you could then get the output, Control C that, go back to the editor file, paste that in, and comment that out. So we can go up here and we can comment out that region and then resave the program like this. And so that's it.